Before I found out about St. Louis Community College automotive program, I was very into cars and I knew that that's what I wanted to do. And when I found out about St. Louis Community College, it mixed the affordability with the perfect amount of hands-on experience, and I knew that this was the right place for me.
The first week we were already learning about how to put things on the lift, a wiring diagram, getting familiar with the lifts, getting familiar with the tools. This has been very informative. I can't wait to tear down an engine. That's a skill that I highly desire to possess, and I can't wait to practice doing it.
My favorite thing is when I get in the shop and see everybody moving, everybody get going, seeing that natural sunlight come in from the main door, from the windows, is very refreshing. And it's such a good environment here. So I be kind of excited to see my classmates. The instructors are amazing. When you get out here on these cars, there's always somebody helping to assist you. You are never alone doing anything. We are helping getting people on the road and doing it right.
We'll start off with oil changes, tire changes, rotate and balance, brakes, suspension, and then we'll start taking engines apart and transmissions, and we'll lower subframes, and it'll just keep tearing up all the way into the complex communication networks that the vehicles use for the onboard computerized systems. So this program really takes you from point A to point B on the vehicle in just 2 years, and it does a fantastic job at making sure you understand and learn the information.
What makes us stand out is we've done so much to keep tuition affordable. There's a great deal of scholarships, and we've made the schedule so that students can flex. They can come to learn the trade, but still we work closely with employers so they can have part-time employment, and we built schedules around that for students.
The automotive industry has so many opportunities, whether you are an inspector for a warranty company or an insurance company or a service advisor, a parts manager, logistics and transportation. There are just so many valuable opportunities. Just because you come here and get technical training doesn't mean that's the path you have to take. The technical training could be a stepping stone for another career.
I just love the knowledge. I love saving money. I love helping people with their cars. It's an ever-growing field, and there's so much to learn and so much to do.
I get excited when I hear people say, oh, I want to get into automotive. I'm like, you should come to STLCC. With this new facility, everybody has the space to work hands-on. You learn a lot of the foundational stuff. I would say it's a community, it's a family here, not only just for this program, but as a whole. You will love your experience here, and you have the support that you need to be successful.